Best action cameras capture high-quality photos and videos in extreme conditions with compact, durable designs. Perfect for travel, sports, and outdoor adventures. They offer features like 4K 8K recording, image stabilization, waterproof builds, and easy mounting options for capturing every moment. Starting at number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo is a powerful 4K action camera designed for adventure, travel, sports, and professional content creation. It features a large 1.3-inch sensor that delivers excellent image quality and impressive low-light performance, along with 4K video recording at 120 FPS for smooth, detailed footage. The camera supports 10-bit color depth and D-Log M color performance, giving creators greater flexibility for professional-level editing and color grading. Built for extreme environments, it offers waterproof protection up to 18 meters, a long-lasting 1777 battery, 360-degree horizon, steady stabilization, and a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view for immersive shots. With magnetic quick-release mounting, dual touchscreens, and durable construction, the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo is an excellent choice for vloggers, outdoor enthusiasts, and creators who want stable, high-quality footage in any condition. Number 2. AKASO EK7000. The AKASO EK7000 4K 30 FPS 20MP Wi-Fi action camera is a versatile and affordable action camera designed for capturing outdoor adventures, travel, sports, and underwater activities. It records Ultra HD 4K video at 30 FPS and captures 20MP photos, delivering detailed images and smooth footage with built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, for improved stability during movement. The camera includes a waterproof housing that allows it to be used up to 131 feet underwater, making it suitable for swimming, diving, and water sports. With built-in Wi-Fi, remote control support, 4x zoom, and compatibility with an external microphone, it provides flexible options for vlogging and content creation. Compact, durable, and equipped with multiple shooting modes and accessories, the AKASO EK7000 is an excellent choice for beginners, travelers, and adventure enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly action camera. Number 3. VEMONT Action Camera. The VEMONT Action Camera is a compact and beginner-friendly sports camera designed for capturing outdoor adventures, travel, and underwater activities. It records full HD 1080p video at 30 FPS and captures 12 megapixel photos, delivering clear images and smooth footage for everyday action recording. The camera features a 2-inch LCD screen for easy framing and playback, along with a waterproof case that allows underwater shooting up to 30 meters, 98 feet, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and water sports. It includes a wide-angle lens, removable rechargeable battery, and a complete mounting accessories kit for attaching the camera to helmets, bicycles, surfboards, and other equipment. With its lightweight design, simple operation, and versatile accessories, the VEMONT Action Camera is an excellent choice for beginners, kids, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts looking for an affordable action camera. Number 4. Icefox i8 5x Action Camera. The Icefox i8 20MP 5x Zoom Action Camera is a versatile and durable camera designed for capturing outdoor adventures, cycling, snorkeling, travel, and vlogging. It features a 20MP photo capability, advanced electronic image stabilization, EIS, for smoother footage, and 5x zoom to help capture detailed shots from a distance. The camera supports Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with a remote control for convenient operation, making it easy to record and share content on the go. With a waterproof housing that supports underwater use up to 98 feet, 30 meters, it is suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and other water activities. Equipped with long-lasting dual batteries, app support, and multiple mounting accessories, the Icefox i8 provides a complete solution for beginners, creators, and outdoor enthusiasts looking for an affordable action camera. Number 5. Icefox i7 Action Camera. The Icefox i7 Action Camera is a powerful 4K action camera designed for adventure, sports, travel, and content creation. It records ultra-smooth 4K video at 60 FPS and captures high-resolution photos, while built-in electronic image stabilization, or EIS, helps reduce camera shake for clearer footage. The camera features 5x digital zoom, Wi-Fi connectivity, remote control support, and Snap Pro app integration for easy wireless transfer, editing, and sharing of videos and photos. Equipped with two 2150 mAh rechargeable batteries, it provides extended recording time for outdoor activities. Its waterproof design with a protective case allows underwater shooting up to 98 feet, 30 meters, making it suitable for snorkeling, cycling, swimming, and other adventures. With versatile mounting accessories and user-friendly features, the Icefox i7 is an excellent choice for vloggers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a reliable action camera.